Hello. I wanted to give an update or a conclusion on my kit. After being out there a couple times, and the gear that I have in here, I've used a lot of it for many years. I trust this kit, and I wanted to share how I could use this and the benefits of carrying a 10 to 12 pound kit. I could go out with just this knife and the ferro rod, and in most conditions, if I had the time, I could build a shelter and so on. I have those skills, but sometimes you don't have that time or the resources. I've got a tarp in here. I can throw that up in 10 minutes easy. So why not carry that if it weighs so little? That's my whole point of this. I've got the skill set to rough it, as they say, because I've done it most of my life. But I wanted to share this just so people can see another alternative that increases your chances big time. Reason why, like I said, sometimes you have lack of resources, and sometimes you just don't have the time. With this kit here, I've been in very low temperatures, in a thunderstorm, heavy rains, and also in a just overnight where it dropped down to just above freezing. Just using this kit for 24 hours. So in conclusion, what I've actually added to this was a bug net. I have bug spray in here. I ended up that night, the bugs were really bad. I just threw the hood part of my sleeping bag over my face, and I had no problems with them. But a bug net is a good addition because they weigh very little and take up no room. So whatever you decide on a survival kit, put gear in there that is good for your environment at your own skill set as well. Now, it's still dropping very cold here, just above freezing some nights. This kit here, I'm able to go from 0 Celsius, 32 Fahrenheit and above, and I should be fine because I have that sleeping bag that is rated for 0 Celsius or 32 Fahrenheit. That increases my chances a lot. Most people, the reason they die out here in the wilderness is because they're unprepared, and it's their core temperature. They either get hyperthermia or hypothermia. Core temperature gets too high or too low. Having the gear to regulate that can save your life. As you know, I started this channel to share knowledge with other people and entertain as well. But my whole point of this is to help wherever I can. And I take survival very serious. And I hope that I can help someone see the importance of being prepared out there. I want to thank you for watching this series, my 24-hour, and also watching my extreme storm camp out, because I think you can see right there why I carry this kit. Thanks a lot, and take care.